Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn what is the meaning or definition of data-driven decision. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is data-driven decision? Data-driven decisions refers to making informed choices and strategies based on data analysis and interpretation rather than relying solely on intuition or experience. In practice, this involves collecting, processing, and analyzing relevant data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights that can guide decision-making processes. By leveraging data-driven approaches, organizations can enhance their efficiency, optimize processes, improve customer experiences, and gain competitive advantages in their respective industries. This methodology emphasizes the importance of using empirical evidence to support and validate decisions, leading to more effective outcomes and better overall performance. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is data-driven decision. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.